Hi guys, I'm Elise and welcome to Whole Foods, Whole You, WholeElise. If you're new to my channel, I make natural DIYs and recipes that you can use as part of your everyday routine. We are currently in the season of spice, so I'm going to show you how to make a couple different fragrances that definitely fit in with the festive season. Mulled wine, Mandarin Spice, and apple pie. So a lot of the videos that I'm making at the moment incorporate using warm and fragrant spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, and ginger, all of which fit perfectly into the festive season. You can find more on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. With that said, let's just get straight into the diffuser recipe. So making your own homemade diffuser is actually incredibly simple and you only need 3 ingredients. The first of which is almond oil. What you're looking for is an oil that will facilitate the fragrance moving through the diffuser reeds and then into your home. If you use something heavy like vegetable or olive oil or any other type of oil, it won't have that wonderful room-filling aroma that most of us look for when it comes to diffusers. Let's move on to our second ingredient, alcohol. Not just any type of alcohol. If you could get either rubbing alcohol or vodka, those will work the best for this recipe. The purpose of the alcohol is to act as a binding agent between the almond oil and the essential oils, and also to dilute the mixture just that little bit further to make it even easier for it to travel through your diffuser reeds. If you have a really expensive prize bottle of vodka, I would maybe avoid using that one and just use a cheap alternative. However, seeing as you only need like a couple tablespoons, maybe no one's going to notice. And finally, the last ingredient that you're going to need to make your own homemade diffuser are essential oils. There is a difference between using essential oils and fragrance oils. Essential oils are naturally derived from plants or seeds or flowers, whatever you like really. Fragrance oils, however, are synthetic fragrances created to resemble smells that you might like. Because I am making spicy festive scents, I am going to use a mixture between essential oils and fragrance oils because they do not come in contact with your skin at all. However, if you just want to use essential oils, it is absolutely no problem. You will just have a limited selection in terms of the types of fragrances you could be interested in. And finally, the last thing that you're going to need to make your own homemade diffuser is to have a glass bottle to which you can put your fragrance in. You can pretty much use any glass bottle, you just want to make sure that it has a very small opening. This is to make sure that your fragrance doesn't evaporate too quickly. You could even use a beer bottle if you wanted to. Just to clear up any misconceptions, bamboo skewers and diffuser reeds, the main difference is that diffuser reeds actually have several tunnels that run from the base to the tip of the diffuser reed, and that's what enables the fragrance to be released. If you use a bamboo skewer or any other type of solid wooden stick, they will be nowhere near as effective as diffuser reeds when it comes to releasing the scent into the atmosphere. So now that we've got everything assembled, let's get straight into making our fragrance. I'm going to be making an apple pie diffuser. For this festive fragrance, I'm going to be combining apple fragrance along with cinnamon and vanilla essential oils. So I'm just going to pour in the base. Essential oils tend to be a little bit more pricey, but particularly vanilla essential oil is usually very expensive to get the pure version. The one which I'm using now is mixed with a carrier oil of jojoba oil, but if you are using 100% vanilla essential oils, then make sure you follow my dilution guidelines in the description below. Okay, and now we're going to move on to cinnamon. Apple, and lastly nutmeg. final diffuser, I'm going to make a Mandarin Spice fragrance. Like before, pour in your almond oil and alcohol. Then add sweet orange, vanilla and cinnamon essential oils. Stir until well combined and then pour into your diffuser glass. These are the finished diffusers. They smell absolutely incredible and they're so simple to make. You can actually put it together in less than 5 minutes. At the front we have apple pie, then Mandarin Spice, and of course mulled wine. Not only are these diffusers incredibly cost effective, but they would also make for a beautiful gift during the holiday season. I hope you've seen just how easy it is to make your own homemade diffusers. Do let me know in the comments down below if you do give these recipes a try, or if you have a few of your own fragrances in mind. I would love to hear how you'd scent your own diffusers. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel where you'll find even more easy and simple natural DIYs along with perfect gift ideas for the festive season. If you liked this video, why don't you check out more of my spicy festive season DIYs? Wow, that's hard to say.